before I start this video, I just want to let you know that there will be custom music in this video, so enjoy!
Okay, Tony, it's time to go trick-or-treating.
No, Dad, I don't want to go trick-or-treating. I want to play Fortnite instead.
No, Tony, you are not going to play Fortnite. You are going trick-or-treating, and that's final. Also, you will have 3 strikes for every time you misbehave. If you get them all, you are grounded. Understand?
Fine. I will go trick-or-treating.
Good, now go put on your costume.
Okay, Dad. After putting on the Halloween costume.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes, Dad, I am ready.
Then let's go. Alright, we should split into 2 groups. You with Jason, I am going with Tony. Alright, let's go to the first house.
When they got to the first house.
Okay, we're here at the first house.
Okay, Dad, who should ring the doorbell?
I will ring the doorbell, you get the candy.
Alright, fine. But I always wanted to ring the doorbell every Halloween. Trick or treat. Here is some candy. What? Mars? No, I don't want that stupid chocolate. That's it, take this. Wah! I'm going back to my room.
Tony, how dare you slap Samir? You should be grateful for what you have. That's it, you just received your first strike, 2 more then you're grounded.
Ugh. Whatever!
Anyways, let's go to the next house.
When they got to the second house.
Trick or treat. I'm sorry, but I don't have any candy for you. What? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Why do you not have any goddamn candy? Well, I've been very busy, and I couldn't buy any Halloween candy. I don't give a shit, just give me some candy right fucking now.
Tony, stop this attitude. This guy doesn't have any candy. We can go to another house to get more candy, and that's final.
No, I am not going to someone else's house. I want to get some candy from this guy right fucking now.
That's it, Tony. You just received your second strike. 1 more and you're grounded. So be careful for your last strike.
When they got to the third house.
What? Are you kidding me? I can take 1 piece of candy? That is stupid. I want all the candy in the bowl, right now.
Tony, it is not stupid to take 1 piece of candy. Just take 1 piece of candy.
No. I don't want to take a piece of goddamn stupid ugly shit candy. I want all the fucking candy in the bowl, right fucking now.
That's it, Tony. You just received.
No fucking way. I am not getting my last strike. That's it. I am going to steal the bowl of candy.
Tony, don't you dare steal the bowl of candy.
Too fucking bad. So fucking sad.
Tony, get back here right fucking now.
You can't catch me, Dad.
Oh yes I can.
Hey! I can use a car. Let's go.
God damn it. He just stole my car and drove off. Anyways, do you want a car chase again? Let's fucking do it.
So fucking well. Oh, no. My dad is after me. Get out of the way. Oh no. Dad's beside me.
Tony, you fucking stupid idiot and bass jackass slut bitch bastard head idiot bozo idiot stupid piece of pump elephant shit jerk. Get your stupid butt over here right fucking you crazy moron.
Nope, you stupid father. I am not gonna listen to you, you stupid fucking fat ass. Ha 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 ha. Oh no! It's the police.
Travis and Tony, pull over right now.
Travis and Tony, stop the cars before I shoot you.
Nope, you fucking stupid dumbass police officer fat ass. I am going to speed up to 9,999,999 miles per hour. Yes, count Peter BCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. I am going so fast. Oh no! We're going to crash. Where am I? Wait a minute, is this prison?
Yes, Travis and Tony, you are in jail once again, for going on a car chase, and crashing into some roadblocks. You will stay here for 8 years. And also, you have 2 visitors.
Travis and Tony, we cannot believe you two misbehaved at Halloween, stole the bowl of candy, started a car chase, crashed into roadblocks and got arrested. This has got to be the worst things you two have ever done.
That's it. You two are grounded. When you get out of jail, go to sleep now. Wow.